How to make a full lace wig.
Start by folding your hair into two, but please ensure that one side is a bit longer than the other side. So starting, you have to make sure that you're not going in lines. Avoid vertical ventilations. Do not do that. Your hair does not grow in rows. So I have a detailed video on ventilation. You might want to go and watch that to see how I do this. Why you must avoid vertical ventilation is because your hair does not grow in rows, line by line. Your hair does not do that. So please don't do that when you ventilate. So now you can see how it looks. You can trace no lines. It's nice.